Good day everyone, I'm Chef Herbert Sofia and you are watching my YouTube channel again. And today, ipapakita ko na naman sa inyo ang mga secret recipe or mga ideas na magagamit nyo sa mga sunod na mga Asian dishes na lulutuin nyo. So, if you like this video, please don't forget to press like and subscribe. Alright, good day everyone. I'm Chef Herbert Sofia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today po, samahan nyo ako, gagawa tayo ng Pokeball. Alright guys, this is Nam, one of the best chef ng same. Ooh, lala. Okay, Nam, what are you doing?
I'm burning my salmon.
Burning your salmon para sa salmon tinapa natin. And this for our Korean fried chicken. Yes. Alright. Then may papakita ako sa inyo. So earlier, I made the cured egg yolk para sa bibingka natin. So it takes like a week para magawa ito. So it's like a cured egg yolk. So with salt and sugar, half and half. Then it takes for a week. And then after a week, we rinse it and then we dry it in the oven. So eto na po siya. So it looks like candy, pero egg yolk po siya. So it will stay long kasi stewed na siya. So kalasa niya yung how do you call it? Itlog na maalat. Alright, so cured egg yolk. Alright, Nam. So meron kaming order ngayon. It's the Korean fried chicken and salmon tinapa. So tulungan ko si Nam. Alright guys, ngayon po papakita ko sa inyo kung paano kami mag-plate dito ng aming Korean fried chicken and salmon tinapa. Okay, this is the plating of Korean fried chicken namin. So meron siyang Asian slaw with ginger soya dressing, meron kaming vegan kimchi, and meron kaming Sudan salati or baby hearts of gem. Then yung aming fried chicken, ito na po. I'll show you dito sa maliwanag. So, meron kaming special breading para sa aming fried chicken. And then, coated siya ng aming gochujang sauce. Yan. Then, plating natin on the top. Yes. Alright. Then, lagyan natin ng sauce. Yes. Alright. This is it. And garnish. So, coriander around. Then, spring onion. Meron tayong radish dito. Oh, we call it in Finland retisi. Then, of course, di mawawala ang chili. Sesame seeds. Then, gochugaru powder. So, ito po yung plating namin ng Korean fried chicken namin. Okay, next plating, this is the salmon tinapa. So, meron kaming udon noodles goes with dashi ginger soya sauce. Alright. it. Then goes with the smoked salmon, kaya salmon pinapa. Then it goes with eggplant tempura. Then shiitake mushroom tempura as well. So yun ang mga garnish nito, kaya ang bango at ang sarap. Then garnish natin dahil Christmas ngayon, so beetroot, then green apple, then coriander, then sesame seeds, then spring onion as well. Yes. Then of course hindi mawawala ang chili natin. Yes. And some rotisi. Alright. And artichoke chips. Yan. Ang sarap. So, here you go guys. Ito po yung salmon pinapa dito sa same. Wow, kami anong hawak mo?
Shabu-shabu place.
Wow, ang ganda naman. Ikaw gumawa yan?
Yes.
Ang cute naman, ang cute mo.
Ano ka?
Alright, so yun ang shabu-shabu natin guys. So, it goes with beef stock and laksa para sa veggie natin. And then kasama rin itong in-order nila, beef on the side. So, let's go na Camille. Alright, stock natin. Alright, go. Okay, start tayo guys. Paggawa ng pokeball. So, i-assemble na lang natin and then you will see all the elements na kung anong kasama sa pokeball namin dito. So, first, lalagyan natin ng sushi rice. Yung sushi rice. So, in the future vlogs, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano kami gumawa ng sushi vinegar at paano i-process ang sushi rice. Then, after that, so, linalagyan namin ng iceberg lettuce. Then spinach. Then meron kaming tahini dressing. Yes. Alright. After the tahini dressing, lalagyan na natin ng pickled cucumber. Then fried tofu. Medyo sweet yung tofu na to, or inari tofu sa mga sushi bar. Then we have the edamame beans. Then we have our goma wakame. Then meron tayong takwan. This is a pickled radish. Yan, medyo padami ng elements. Then meron tayong pickled ginger. Yan. Then we have our Japanese omelette. So tira namin dahil Christmas season na ngayon. So something red. So beetroot. Then we add some kimchi here. Okay. So yan na po yung mga elements na linalagay namin. So meron again beetroot, pickled cucumber, vegan kimchi, meron tayong inari tofu, edamame, and meron tayo dito ng goma wakame, then pickled daikon or takwan, then pickled ginger, and ating Japanese omelette. Medyo sweet po rin ang lasa nito. Then continue tayo sa garnish. Meron tayong dito lemon mayonnaise. Then meron tayong vegan caviar. So gawa po ito sa seaweed. Then meron tayong orange and black color. Then eto na po ang shisho leaves natin sa gitna. Yes. Then dito natin nilalagay yung salmon. Then ito pong salmon na ginagamit namin is marinated with ginger soya. So it's a bit chunky, but it tastes good. Yan. course, sesame seed. Mas madami, mas maganda. And meron tayong nori. Yan. Tawag yan, kisame nori. So, nilalagyan po natin ng furikake. Yes. So alright guys, eto na po yung Pokeball ng same. So napakaraming elements, sigurado mabubusog kayo. And hope you try it here. So salmon poke ala Herbie same. Alright, it goes with salmon. Pwede rin pong tofu sa mga vegan, and pwede rin pong prawns. Alright, Jelai, thank you for the night.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Calvin and Blue, congratulations for your successful night. And congratulations. This is your working certificate. Henry, let's talk. Let's go outside. Alright.
Okay.
Alright guys, hopefully meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Alright? Like, share, subscribe.